Number
No problem.
15, Alan Waddell. Thank you for being patient for the last people who were in the bucket. Thank you.
Front and center, Your Honor.
All right, so we have you here on a no valid operator's license. It looks like I'm still showing that it is expired. So what would you like to tell me today about the infraction?
Well, I'd like, Your Honor, if the court pleases, to certify the bond of subrogation, if you please.
Certify the bond.
Yes, Your Honor.
Defendant. So, what would you like me to have certified? The bond of subrogation. Judge. What is the bond of subrogation? Is there a document that you have? Defendant. I can have the Justice Department send you one. Judge. For what?
On my name.
I have not placed any bond on your name.
Well, this municipality most likely has.
You are Alan Lee Waddell?
Correct.
Okay. And so there's...
See, when this court is, if you hammer me, all that money in that bond goes to the IMF.
there is no bond. There's an infraction with a fine amount. So if that's what you want to tell me today, we're here for a contested hearing. I haven't heard anything that...
Latches and curs. Are you familiar with the Constitution? Latches and curs, right? I motion to dismiss.
Okay, motion to dismiss on what grounds?
On grounds that you do not know what you're doing. I'm sorry, Your Honor, you're supposed to know the law.
Okay.
Latches and curs.
All right. What legal authority do you have for your motion to dismiss beyond you don't think I know what I'm doing?
That will come from the Justice Department.
Judge. All right, you were stopped on February 25th, 2026. Defendant. According to Eric the Castle Cop. Is he present? Judge, did you subpoena him? Did you file proof of service of the subpoena? Defendant. I filed a notice of liability. Judge. That's not a proof of service.
Affidavit.
What signed affidavit do you...
You're supposed to be in your possession.
I have it.
Okay. Have you read it?
Yes.
It's notarized.
Okay.
It's a notarized affidavit.
Indiana Bill of Rights. None of this is binding on this court.
Those are case law, Supreme Court case law. Standing.
Indiana Article 1 Bill of Rights is not case law.
Well, we're applying it to...
We are not applying Indiana Bill of Rights to Washington.
Your name will appear here.
All right. Mr. Waddell, I have in front of me the officer's narrative indicating that he stopped you on February 25th, 2026, driving a maroon Chrysler PT Cruiser on the northbound 1400 block of South Pacific Avenue with its left and center brake light not functioning, initiated the traffic stop, identified himself verbally as Alan Waddell, stated he left his insurance back at his house and was unable...
Judge, now the officer notes you failed to provide proof of insurance. Your license expired in September 2022, and you had no active brake lights. Defendant, Your Honor, I told the officer at the time there is no contract. The license, which is a contract, expired years ago. Judge, yet you were driving
on a public road. Okay, I'm going to find the infraction committed at the full amount of $564. You will have 60 days to either pay in full or set up a payment plan.
I will this and
what was that?
I will have to recommend it. I must recuse you, Your Honor.
You can file that with you can make a motion, but I've made my ruling at this point.
I'm motioning for a mistrial and I'm going to recuse you.
Okay, I'm denying those motions as they are not timely nor relevant at this point. So your infraction has been committed. If you would like to file motions to appeal this, go ahead.
Constitutional rights, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Waddell, that'll be all for today. All right, number 16, Robert Warren is present. Mr. Warren, if you could unmute, it's *6.
Okay.